centimeters. The news feeds that remained had mostly relocated to the Lagrange stations at Luna.
So there you have it. This has been a lot of fun. Now, a lot of you are going to say, wait, didn't you just do one of those? Yes, I just did this one not too long ago. This is the traditional Andre Roubo style book holder, and this would be what you'd put a book on to read. But I don't read a lot of written books. I prefer audiobooks. I find them to be something that's far more useful that I can play while I'm here in the shop. And so I wanted to make one like that with the wireless charging built in and kind of do a throwback to Andre Roubo, but with a modern twist. So I really kind of like how that came out. Unfortunately, I haven't been able to find Andre Roubo's book in audiobook. So yeah, there's still some books that I have to read traditionally. So I hope you like that. I do have links to building this down below, as well as I have a link to a video where I talk through this entirely, and I talk about why I did the things I did and what the steps were involved with it. And so it's kind of the how-to version of this simple video. If you'd like to see that, I'll leave a link down below and up in the cards. Also, at this point, most people are thinking, oh, audiobook, it's probably sponsored by Audible. No, actually, on this channel, I do not have any sponsors. On any of my channels, I don't have any sponsors. I kind of like that just to make things a little bit clearer. I don't like reading things off a script that someone's given me. I want my words to be my own words. So because of that, the channel is completely supported by you, the viewer. Thank you for that. Whether it be as becoming a patron or becoming a member, clicking the join button down below, or buying strops and card scrapers and other things on my website, thank you for that. You're helping make Wood by Wright better than it is. So I hope you like that idea as much as I do, and I hope you like the project as much as I do. This is a fun one. So that's about it for today, and until next time, have a wonderful day. Now next, I wonder if I can build in passive speakers to this as well.